So we're going to be working on the second screen of World 1. We're going to try to get up 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, up through level 28 today. So we're going to be hopping in. Well, technically World 1 again, but we'll see. So this is where it begins to get more tricky, I believe. We have to kill that. Yeah, it does get killed. So we're just gonna try and knock that down. So we're able to just... Oh no! We missed. That's unfortunate, so we're gonna try again. Ooh, is it gonna take that out? No. I definitely still think that's the play, is to hit that. Ah, great. We're gonna have to do this level again unless we, well, that's still a great shot, but we didn't kill the guy. So we're gonna do a high arc. Then we're gonna do another high arc. Take out everything there. Well, let's just see what, like, if we can... No, we're gonna have to retry. Same thing, take out that guy. Get some kind of reward I don't care about. Take out that. Try to do a... There we go. That was a good shot. I had to take into the 3 birds from the mini one. And on to the next one. So this one's just gonna be, I think, shoot that guy. Or we have to do like these. Yeah, that seems like the appropriate method. And there we go. So this level we're gonna want to, like, I think we want to try to get them to fall down. There we go. Yeah, that's what we want. And then we just want to, like that. Easy. So this one we want to just, I think, take it out like that. And then ice that. Hopefully that drop will kill it. Good, it does. 3 stars. Profit. Ooh, okay, this one's just fairly simple. So that in there. Maybe not. Maybe I spoke too soon. No, we got it done. Probably not the best way to do it, but we got it done. I think this one just want to go in the middle. We want to get that rock to fall. There we go. Oh, that guy still lived in the air. So, this one, oh, this one's just fairly easy. Oh, there's a guy down there, though. That's the problem. So I think we take it off like that. We try to... No. I think we have to do the lob tactics. It fall. Oh, great. We didn't move it enough. We're gonna have to redo this one. So I think it's the same thing. And then just clear off the top, get everything okay, this has to be like a trick shot into it. And there we go. So this one we just want to aim at that. No, restart. We messed that up. Right there. Get that rock to fall on you. Then, come on. So then we just need to blow up that guy. We almost missed. And that's gonna be all for this one.